Hey, my name's Ethan. I'm the owner of Homebeam Outdoor Lighting, and we're over here on a job site right now, actually. But I just want to give a quick shout out to Logan and some of the coaching that he's been providing me, because I'm not exaggerating when I say this. It's been literally life changing. When I came to Logan a few months back, we were spending losing thousands of dollars every month. Like, we were in the red. I was pulling out of my personal savings, just trying to keep the business afloat. And like, I have a wife at home, she doesn't work, I got a baby at home. I'm like, something had to change, because we were on the path in which we were just going to blow through all our savings and go broke, and the dream of the business was going to fail. And I ran into or met Logan through Instagram, right? We connected and he was telling me about his coaching. And listen, I was super skeptical, right? I'm like, who is this guy? What does he know? He's halfway across the country. I don't know anything about him. And, he's just probably trying to sucker me in, take my money like any, you know, crappy internet guru, right? And I was completely wrong. I decided to give him a shot when we spoke, and he's like, listen, if you don't find value in what I'm providing you, I'll give you a full refund. And he's like, I'll put that in the contract. Like, I was like, all right, I can't lose. And here's the thing, he delivered, and he delivered super big. We last month we had our first really profitable month. We had $20,000 in profit, right? That's profit, not revenue. $20,000 in profit, and this is just the beginning, right? I'm still seeing a lot of work coming in. We're booked out for the first time for like several weeks, and with tons more money coming in, right? And this is all the result of things that he's been teaching me. He has a lot of great insights about how to generate more leads for super low cost, if not free, right? Like, these are things that are simple things that you can implement like right away in your business, and it's going to print you money. And the thing is, like, implementing a couple of these things, it's not just making you money for a month, right? Like, these are things that are repeatable. You can do it month after month, year after year. He's literally giving away, it's not an exaggeration when I say millions of dollars worth of value that you can like start implementing with your business. So if you have any hesitation about like, can I trust this guy? I'm telling you right now, from my own personal experience, it's worth it. I believe he's changed my life. I'm super thrilled. I'm super excited to see what we're going to be able to do and how this is going to continue to impact myself, my business, and my family in the next 2, 3, 4 or 5 years, right? It's just monumental, and I have no hesitations about recommending Logan.